Welcome to part 1 of designing a 404 page error. In this video, we are going to do some research and design a low-fidelity wireframe. So if you are curious, please stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So, if you are a fan of this kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button and be around. Okay guys, let's start. Press A to select a frame. I'm going with desktop. Okay, very nice. Rename it to mainframe. I'm gonna add a layout grid to our frame. Columns 12, gutter 32, margin 14 or maybe 80. Press T to write a text. It's for our logo. Okay, I put it here. 32 pixels, margin from top. I copy this one and I want a little menu here. About us and contact us. I reduce the font size to maybe 32. Okay. I press Shift Alt H to give it a space between these menu items to 40. Okay, I like it. Again, 32 pixels from top. I select them all, press Shift A, make an auto layout, and rename it to menu, press logo, and then press menu together. Again, I press Shift A to add auto layout. I rename this auto layout to header. Perfect. I want a big circle. I press Shift to draw a perfect circle. Press Alt H to bring it center. I want an illustration for this part, so I just draw a rectangle for now, and then we can add our illustration here. Okay, with pencil I just draw lines here, so I know this is my image. Again, I press T to type a text. Press Alt H to bring it to center. And I want a button. So I press A, draw a frame, 48 pixels height, and I give it a fill color white for now because it's just our low fidelity wireframe. I press Shift A to add the auto layout to it, press T on it to write a text. Should I increase the padding to 24 and 60? I want to add a little icon here, but because we are designing just a low fidelity wireframe, I just add an circle here. I increase the space between these icon and text to something like 24 or maybe 16. Okay. Very nice. Again, I should rename it to button. Don't forget. Press Alt H to bring it to center and 32 pixels from this text. Very nice. Hey, good job. Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for being with me and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that video, please like my video. Have fun and goodbye.